Depression is a serious medical condition that can be life-threatening. It's important to seek professional help if you're feeling depressed, especially if you're having thoughts of suicide. These steps are not a cure for depression, but they may help you manage your symptoms. They're most effective when used in combination with treatment recommended by a healthcare provider. 1. Seek professional help. The first step in managing depression is to get a diagnosis from a healthcare provider. Mental health professionals, like psychiatrists or psychologists, can provide different treatment options such as cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, interpersonal therapy, IPT, and others. If necessary, they might prescribe medication like antidepressants. Regular follow-up appointments are important to monitor your progress and adjust treatment as needed. 2. Physical activity. Regular physical activity can boost your mood and serve as a natural antidepressant. Even 30 minutes of moderate exercise like walking, swimming, or yoga, 5 days a week can have a noticeable effect on your mood. 3. Balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet can play a significant role in your mood and energy levels. Try to include lean protein, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet, and limit your consumption of processed food, alcohol, and caffeine. 4. Connect with others. Reach out to people who care about you. Let them know what you're going through so they can provide support. If you are unable to turn to friends or family, look into support groups or organizations that can help. Remember, you're not alone, and there are people who want to help. 5. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Mindfulness, which involves focusing on the present moment without judgment, can help you break the cycle of negative thought patterns. Techniques might include meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. There are many resources available online or through mental health apps to guide you through these practices. Depression is a complex condition, and it's vital that you reach out to a healthcare provider for support and treatment. These steps should be used as part of a comprehensive treatment plan, and not in place of professional help. If you're feeling suicidal, it's extremely important to reach out to a mental health professional or trusted person in your life immediately.